Hi, my name's Erin. Today I'm going to show you how to make spotted dick, which is not cooked in the oven. It's cooked in the microwave. Okay, so for the ingredients that we'll need egg. We'll need 2 eggs. We'll need 100 grams of caster sugar, 2 bowls, 100 grams of self-raising flour, 100 grams of butter. We need our scale, and this is for the flavour. So you would usually have treacle or jam, but I want treacle and toffee sauce, and you can use sultanas or raisins, but I would prefer sultanas, but these are like raisins, but they're a little bit different, so yeah. So shall we get started with the butter first, or? So we're going to get started off with the butter. Okay, so now that we've got our 100 grams of butter, our 100 grams of self-raising flour, and our 100 grams of caster sugar, we're going to add 2 eggs. Which one do you think is the biggest? I want the biggest one.
I'll leave it up to you.
Probably this one and this one. Yeah?
Yeah.
Make sure not to get any shell into the mixture. Just get all that you can. Never mind. Okay, step 2. See if I can get one better than this one. Nope. That one was a runny one. I think that one's the best, do you?
Yep.
Okay, so now what we're going to do is you can use a normal whisk, but an electric whisk is better because it mixes more faster and it mixes better. So if I just put this in here and then now it's time to add our sultanas to the mix. Again, you can use raisins, but I'm just going to use sultanas. Is that enough? Or should I put
That's fine, that's fine.
Just a bit more.
That's enough.
Okay, should we mix this together now? I mix it now.
No, you don't mix it.
Now I've got a wooden spoon, and I'm going to mix my wooden spoon with my mix and my sultanas. Just so I can get that whole mix in together. Just so like all our sultanas are covered up in the mixture. Is that enough?
Yep.
Okay, so now we've got our toppings and we've got our other bowl, and this bowl has our mixture in it. Have a look at that. Okay. So now what we're going to do, for my toppings, again I've got treacle and toffee sauce. But again, you can choose any sauce like jam or stuff like that. I'm going to get my treacle. Look at that sweet sugar candy. And what we're going to do is we're going to take a spoonful. We're going to put it like at the bottom here, aren't we? Okay, we're going to get more. Okay, now we're ready with our toffee sauce.
So look at the toffee sauce. It's just ordinary ice cream toffee sauce, yeah?
How much?
That's perfect.
Okay. Now we're going to pour our mixture in here onto top. And then after we've done this, we'll be right back after we put this in the microwave for about how much?
We don't know yet. 7 minutes, I think, or 5 or 7 minutes.
7 or 8 minutes, or even 5.
So if you just keep on scooping it in there.
Yeah. And if you keep on checking it in the microwave, you know, you can decide at what time you want to stop it. Whether you want it, you know, like that, or do you want it a bit more cooked?
How many times have you cooked this?
Twice. Twice. I can cook my own meatballs and a fried egg. Okay, we forgot to tell you one very, 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 very important part of our spotted dick. Now, everybody knows that eventually it will rise, and it will rise in the same as the microwave as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to put a plate on top before we put it into the microwave, and then once you had it in the microwave for about 5 minutes, you can check it and punch it with a hole in, with a fork.
To poke it with a fork or knife just to make sure it's not gooey inside.
And make sure if you want it like that or not. If you don't want it like that, you can go ahead and put it in the microwave. So we'll be right back once we've took it out of the microwave.
Why don't you put it in the microwave now?
Oh, and we'll tell you how long we put it in the microwave for, and then we'll show you how how we tip it over. Okay, so we're just gonna leave this to cook, and you relax and enjoy. Bye. Okay, so now that we took it out of the microwave, we've only kept it in there for about 5 minutes. We've checked it, it's okay. We need another plate to flip it over. Okay, so my dad's going to do that part because it's quite hot and I'm not good at flipping stuff over. Okay, so I'm going to video on where you watch my dad. We'll just see what it looks like. You can see the steam. It looks good. Oh, so you put the plate on top, directly on the top, dude. Oh, flipped over. Must be hot. Oh, was that hot?
Slightly.
It's going to take that off. Oh, lovely. Okay, so this is lovely. It's a lovely spotted dick. I can see we've got the treacle and caramel on the top, which is really nice again. So yeah. So I hope you use this tutorial on how to make a spotted dick, and I hope yours will be as yummy as ours. Thank you for watching my spotted dick tutorial. So I'll see you another day.